A single column can ruin a perfect view. It stands there, heavy, unavoidable, breaking the landscape in half. Most architects would work around it, build shelves, hide it with drywall. But what if you remove it completely? Structural glass, mitered corner, no vertical frame, no support post. Two glass planes meet, bonded with optical silicone. 1 millimeter seam, invisible. The forest flows from left panel to right panel. No break, no column. The building edge disappears. You cannot tell where the room ends and nature begins. No mullion, no threshold. The floor touches glass like water touching shore. Furniture repositions. Now the view is primary. Architecture is secondary. Before, fragmented, frustrating. After, seamless, liberating. The column is gone. The corner is air. You are outside but sheltered.